catch a doggy, yum yum peanut butter treaties. And although Fifi will be fighting around with Uni when decided, but much to Fifi's surprise, Unicorn will win the first prize. Daddy Donald and Mama Leah give the best wishes and praise her when Chewie announces love for her while under the mistletoe. And Ivy in the backyard where he does his business off guard could use a nice gazebo and